Overtaking can be tricky. Unless you're 100% sure, I wouldn't advise that you do. So here are my 3 top tips on how to overtake safely. Tip 1, watch out for oncoming vehicles and also any signs that forbid you from overtaking. Remember, being in a rush is not a reason to overtake. Tip 3, is it 3 or 2? It's 2. Tip 2, be decisive. Make sure when you pass the vehicle, there's plenty of room before you pull back in. Pulling back in too soon is a major cause of road rage. Tip 3, most importantly when you are overtaking, don't break the speed limit. We got it. My top tip for overtaking is remember, is it safe, is it legal and is it necessary? You want to make sure you also use the Msm routine, which is mirror, signal, manoeuvre. If you use those 2 together, you'll be safe.